problem isn't you. It's a 300,000-year update that never downloaded. You're scrolling a glowing slab of glass, but the brain making your choices was shaped by hunger, fear, and fireside myths. Welcome to the mismatch. Stone Age hardware, modern software. In the next few minutes, we'll tour the quirks your ancestors left in your head. Why you crave junk, fear headlines, and chase likes. And we'll steal ancient habits that actually work today. How we got here. For roughly 300,000 years, humans hunted, gathered, walked under open skies, and lived in tight bands the size of a wedding. 12,000 years ago, farms, villages, grain. 300 years ago, factories. 30 years ago, the internet in your pocket. Evolution jogs, technology sprints. That gap, that's the story. The body's leftover features. Goosebumps, once a fur-fluffing defense. Now a concert reaction. Wisdom teeth, great for chewing roots, now a dentist's business plan. And the stress switch, designed for tigers triggered by inboxes. Your heart races, your breath shortens, to fight an email. The social brain versus infinite feeds. Your brain expects a tribe small enough to know every face, every story. Modern life floods you with thousands of names, opinions, and flawless highlight reels. The result? Shallow connections feel plentiful. Deep connections feel rare, and outrage travels faster than nuance. Gossip, stories, and virality. We're built to remember stories around a fire. That's why tales with heroes, villains, and twists stick, online or off. Once upon a time is an ancient operating system. Today, it's driving your timeline. The food trap. Scarcity brain in a buffet world. Your taste buds light up for sugar, fat, and salt because they used to be hard to find. Now they're everywhere. Designed to melt just right, crunch just right, and keep you reaching back in the bag. It's not a lack of willpower. It's a survival algorithm meeting a snack aisle. Microevolution. Footnote. Humans still adapt. Lactose tolerance here, starch enzyme there. But biology edits slowly. Supermarket updates daily. Risk, fear, and the news cycle. The alarm. That misfires. In the wild, sudden danger mattered most. Today, rare but dramatic events dominate headlines, while slow dangers, poor sleep, no sunlight, no movement, slip under the radar. Your brain is excellent at panicking and terrible at pacing. Okay, what do we do? Principle number 1. Design beats willpower. Willpower is a matchstick. Design is the sun. Change the setup, not just the self. Put the sweets high and the fruit visible. Pre-decide your meals for weekdays. If it's in reach, it's in you. Principle number 2. Protect. Attention. Notifications are other people's priorities. Batch them. Turn the phone grayscale when you need focus. Work in 25-minute sprints, then truly rest for 5. Eyes off screens, spine straight, breath slow. Attention is your scarcest currency. Spend it like it's rent. Principle number 3. Stone Age habits, modern life. Morning light in your eyes. Yes, actually go outside. Daily walking, 10 minutes after meals is a cheat code. Lift something heavy, or at least your body weight. Cook with other people once a week. Talk, laugh, share. Touch grass if you can't touch a gym. The goal is not to become a prehistoric reenactor, just to give your biology a fighting chance. Principle number 4. Build a real tribe. Keep a circle you can name, help, and be helped by. Message 3. Real friends today, not 300 acquaintances. Host small things. A tea hour, a walk, a game night. Depth over breadth is how the nervous system calms down. Reframe the self. From barely evolved to actively evolving. You're not broken. You're brilliantly adapted to a world that doesn't exist anymore. That's not an insult. It's a map. Design your environment, ritualize your attention, move like a human, eat like food is food, and protect the few relationships that make you feel seen. That's modern wisdom ancient roots. If this helped you see your brain with kinder eyes, subscribe and share it with the one friend who's always online but never at peace. In the next episode, we'll try ancient habits that actually scale. Until then, upgrade the environment and your instincts will follow.